Jai Hind, my dear children. Today we are going to start the new chapter, Electric Potential and Capacitance. It is actually the continuation of the first chapter. Okay, so in this chapter we have to study another very important property of charge, that is electric potential. Now we can start with the first term, electric potential difference. Electric potential difference, which is represented by delta V. So here again we can consider a charge Q. Around any charge there is electric field. Okay, around any charge there is electric field, and the charge is called a source charge because we have to consider the electric field around this charge. Therefore, it is called a source charge. Okay, and consider 2 points A and B in the electric field of the source charge. Assume a unit positive charge plus 1 coulomb charge is at the point B. So what is there in between source charge and 1 coulomb charge? There is force of repulsion, because since both are positive, there is force of repulsion between the source charge and 1 coulomb charge. Now we have to move this 1 coulomb charge towards the point A. So we have to do some work, because there is always force of repulsion, and because of the repulsion 1 coulomb charge is moving away. And in order to move this 1 coulomb charge towards the source charge, we have to do some work. So what is the small work? What is the small work done by us or by the external agent to move 1 coulomb charge through a small distance? First we can find out the small distance dr. Let the charge is moved through a small distance dr. Okay, 1 coulomb charge is moved through a small distance dr, that is work done. Small work done is, we have the work done formula, force into displacement, isn't it? So force external into the displacement, which is dr. Clear? So small work done by the external agent to move the charge through a small distance dr is dw is equal to F external dot dr. But here external force is against which one? Electrostatic force or repulsion. Therefore directly we can write dw is equal to minus F electrostatic Fe. Fe represents the electrostatic force, that is a Coulomb force, dot dr. What is the significance of the negative sign? Since the electrostatic force is against the external force. Okay, external force is moving towards the charge and towards the source charge, and electrostatic force is repulsion. So since electrostatic force is opposite to the external force, we can put a negative sign, minus Fe dot dr. Now what is the total work to move 1 coulomb charge from the point A to the point, from the point B. B is the initial point, B to A. So how will you find out the total work done? Total work done is W equals, we can integrate from the point B to A, we can integrate the small work dW. Clear? So is equal to integral B to A. What is dW? Minus Fe dot dr, no? Minus F electrostatic dot dr. But electrostatic force, we have the electrostatic force is given by, electrostatic force is charge into electric field, F equal to QE, no? But what is Q here? 1 coulomb. Electrostatic force is QE, but Q equal to 1 coulomb, and hence Fe equals electric field. So using that formula we can write work done is equal to integral B to A, electrostatic force is equal to electric field, minus E dot dr. And this is the work done in bringing unit positive charge from one point to another in the electric field of source charge, and according to the definition this is called electric potential difference. So electric potential difference is represented by delta V. So electric potential difference means it is a work done in bringing a unit positive charge from one point to another in the electric field of the source charge against the force of repulsion. Clear? So that is called electric potential difference and its definition. Then next term is electric potential. If you know electric potential difference, it is easy to define electric potential. Electric potential is represented by the letter V. Here again we can consider the source charge Q. This is the source charge, and the point A here, and the point B is at infinity. It is a far away distance. Okay, in the first case we have considered A and B is in a vicinity of the electric field. In the second case, B is at infinity. There also electric field is there due to the source charge, but electric field is very less, because as distance increases, electric field decreases, no? So here the point A is closer to the source charge, in the vicinity of the source charge, but B is at infinity. B at infinity. Clear? So here also we can find out the small work done by the external agent to move 1 coulomb charge through a small distance. Again, finally, what is the total work to move the charge? What is the charge here? 1 coulomb charge from instead of one point to another. Here we have to move the charge from infinity to the point A. Clear? So how will you find out? Write the formula here. W equals integral, only changes instead of B we can put infinity. Infinity to A, what other formula all remains same. So work done is given by infinity to A minus E dot dr. What is this work? According to the definition, it is a work done to bring unit positive charge from infinity to a point in the electric field of the source charge against the force of repulsion is called potential. Okay, so from definition, work done to bring unit positive charge plus 1 coulomb charge from infinity to a point in the electric field of source charge against its force of repulsion is called potential. Okay, and hence potential is given by the formula V equals integral infinity to the point A minus E dot dr. Okay, so this is the definition of potential and this is the formula for potential. So one point to another, electric potential difference, infinity to a point, that is electric potential.